Hello guys, good morning. So it is Saturday early morning, 6:30 now. We left house at 5 o'clock. So we are heading towards DD Hills, that is Devarayan Durga, which is nearby Bangalore outskirts. It's just a hill which has a temple and a small pond there. But it's a famous place for a long ride for Bangalore people. So I have already gone around 3 to 4 times, but we are going just to have a long ride. It's been long time that we have gone out. So this is it, I'll show you. So this is my gang. Yeah, we have come late for 1 hour, so these people were waiting for us, so they're fighting with us because we are late. So yeah, we will continue the vlog. So if you are watching me for the first time, my name is Sharanya. Please subscribe my channel, please like, share and comment, and we will continue the vlog. So we had a meeting point for us to meet in a place and to go from there. So we met there and we had a chai, and it was early morning, so obviously we will feel little bit hungry, so we had a chai and we went from there. So I really suggest to go in the early morning because you can see sunrise, and it will be nice, and it will be foggy these days like December, January. See the fog. Since we were late for 1 hour, we missed the sunrise, and even the ways were not so much foggy. If we would have been left our homes a little bit early, it would have been super foggy. So unfortunately, we had to see the sunrise on the way. So, but we missed the sunrise. If we would have been in DD Hills before sunrise, it would have been amazing. So sorry for Divya. I have already seen so many sunrises in Nandi Hills and all, so I am not regretting it. And this is on the way to DD Hills, and this is the arch of the DD Hills temple. So from here we have to go still further long, and we have a lake in between. So it is also a good place for photo shoots. Since we already missed the sunrise, we spent some time in the lake to take photos. We didn't hurry from there, and then we left to the peak point. Here we have a lake nearby, so it's just perfect place for photo shoot. And this is the lake, you can see. We have a parrots here. This branch is very nice, no? I would like to go and sit there, but I don't do that. My mom have strictly said that we should not enter into any water thing and all. We should be very careful because these days it's been raining very heavy in Bangalore, so all lakes, everything is filled. So she said be very careful more than before. So this is it. I really like the morning vibes. Usually if you come early morning to the places, you really can feel the vibe of that place. You can feel that silence, you can feel that breeze, cool breeze, and it's really very nice. So we will get started with our photo shoot. We will be back in some time. So idu nanu, idu nam gaadi, idu nam body. You can really enjoy the way to DD Hills because it's all forest area. From there you can get a nice cool breeze, so you really enjoy the ride. And from here you don't have only one place in DD Hills. You can go to Namada Chilume, you can go to Katsandra, like Siddhganga Mata is very famous here, so we have 3 to 4 places to cover here. And we also went to Mandaragiri, which you will see in this vlog also. So here we have a steps to DD Hills. You can also trek to DD Hills, but we were riding, we don't wanted to trek on that day, so we went in bike to the peak. And we have 2 viewpoints in DD Hills, which is temple viewpoint, and which is opposite to that temple we have another viewpoint. So we have been to temple viewpoint so many times, so we are not going to that temple today. So we are going to this viewpoint, which is opposite to the temple. So we reached DD Hills. We didn't go to temple yet, so we came to another viewpoint. So this is it. We still have to go to the upside. So here is Ish Rider coming in. We have missed sunrise. Yeah, because we have come late, bit late, not a bit. Almost complete
2 hours late. Let's wait for 2 hours.
Because Praful woke up late. I woke up at 3:30, but it's waste. I missed sunrise. I'll show you the viewpoint from here. So this is the viewpoint. We have come through that road. And yeah, that lake, did you guys see? You guys must have seen that we have taken picture there. And it's really foggy since it's early morning. Not too early, but it's really foggy here. So this is the viewpoint. And this is another viewpoint place. We have a temple on other side. We didn't go yet there. If I go, I'll show you guys. So from here we are going little bit up so that we can see another viewpoint from there, and it was also very nice and we chilled for some time there.
ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಆಹಾ ಏನಿ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ.
Hello. Bye.
ನೀನು ಕಾಡು ಕೋತಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿರುವೆ.
We are going to a peak place. So it is like this. The way is like this. It's very small and cozy. Oh. Oh. This is the view from here. Start madri photos. Wow, breathtaking. See, people are chilling here. And that is the Devarayan Durga temple, which you can see there. And we have a steps there. We have to go walk for I don't know how many steps, but to reach the temple we have to walk the hills. And so we have come through here. And obviously we were hungry, so we couldn't find the breakfast there, so we decided to go to the Katsandra Idli hotel. So before that we just wanted to have something, so there was a Maggie and all So we had just taken Maggie and budgies. So we had from, because Katsandra is little bit far from here, so we just had a little bit from here and we went to the breakfast. And the way from DD Hills to Katsandra is really a breathtaking view, because we have a forest both the sides, and you will really enjoy the ride because it was really nice. And I was riding alone, so I really enjoyed the ride. So we have come for breakfast. We are having breakfast at 12. So we had all snacks and all everything. So we have idli famous in Katsandra near Tumkur. So we have come 17 kilometers away from Didi Hills to have a idli, which is famous. So this is the hotel. So Pavitra Idli Hotel, Katsandra. So this is the famous breakfast. I am not a big fan of idli, but if anything is famous, I want to try, because something should be there in that. So we have come to Mandaragiri again. I know I have already vlogged Mandaragiri in my channel, but that day the stupa was closed. So today we want to check if it is open. We just go visit the stupa and go back. However, we are going on the way to Bangalore. So Mandaragiri is on the way to Bangalore from Tumkur. So here we are. We should check if it is open at least today. So this peacock feather architecture has been more famous nowadays, because Bangalore is very near to Tumkur, so people have been visiting these places nowadays more, and it's really a famous place for photo shoot. You can see how beautiful it is. And inside it, it's not a temple, it's a Guru Mandir. You can find the idol of a Guruji inside, and you can also find some paintings, and it will be very cool, and you can have a 10 minutes of meditation, and you can feel the silence and come out. So this is the beautiful entrance of the Guru Mandir. And from here we just chilled for some time, and we rested for some time, and we went to Bangalore back. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. We will see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.